welcome to you all. You're all young and enthusiastic coders now, right? Okay, so you're all excited for today's presentation? Yes? I just wanted to say, when you were doing Scratch, did you all think about the first toy we all played with when we were all kids, when we were all in kindergarten? Building blocks, jigsaw puzzle. Wasn't Scratch something like that? Yeah?
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah.
वो color cups रखे. I know we used to build buildings, and वो tiger, we used to make tiger, adding those jigsaw puzzles. Isn't it something like that? So doesn't Scratch take us back to those? For me, at least, I'm too old, so I really went back to my kindergarten when I was doing Scratch. So all the Scratches are going to rock the stage now. So shall I call out your name? Fine. So we will start with Scratcher Sanvi.
Hello, teachers and your friends. Today, I am going to share a project that I have made under the expert guidance of Sheetal ma'am and Shalini ma'am. My project is the animation of the classic Lion and the Mouse story on the block-based programming interface Scratch. I have used the Lion and the Mouse sprite as my characters. I have also done the dialogue recording as the two characters' conversation. I have used broadcast and receive message blocks so that my characters know when it's their turn to speak. I have used different backdrops so that different scenes are visible. As you can see, I have also used different costumes so that my characters can be seen in sitting or standing position. So, with this, I am going to start the animation.
Who dares disturb my sleep? I will now kill you and eat you.
Ah, Mr. Lion, please let me go. I may be win some use for you someday. I'll be really grateful if you let me go.
How can a little mouse like you be in use for a huge lion like me? But still, I will let you go. Now go away. Oh no, I am trapped in this hunter's net. How do I get out? Oh, little mouse, please come here. Please help me get out of this hunter net.
Oh, no, Mr. Lion, you are trapped in a hunter's net. How can I help you?
Oh, mouse, can you please go through this net with your sharp teeth so I can get out?
Mr. Lion, I would do anything for you.
Wow, it's done. Very nice.
Yes. I have made some more games. Like, for example, this one cotton candy one. So over here, I have made this game. It's cotton candy time. So over here, you can design your own cotton candy. I have also added a sound. So you have to click somewhere and then you can change.
Okay, click upper part.
This.
Oh, okay. Background.
So
Wow, that's so nice.
the background also changes.
Okay.
So The face
face.
can also change.
Yeah. Click face twice.
Like this.
Oh, that's very nice.
And when it's done, it shows between the stars or in between your face.
My candy is ready.
I have made this catch the taco one also.
Oh.
You're moving with your mouse or keys, is it?
With the keys, ma'am. With the keys, ma'am. The mouse.
Very nice. Sanvi, you really done a lovely job.
Thank you.
Scratcher, Ishit.
My project in Scratch is a Halloween theme game. Now I'll present my screen.
But it was nice. It was good. Scratcher, Vikas, Kohli.
So, ma'am, I will share my screen.
Yes, sure.
So, my project is on the sea hunting.
Let us dive undersea for fish hunting.
Okay, thank you, Vikas. Okay, next is Scratcher, Vivaan.
Yes, miss.
Scratcher, Vivaan.
In this project, in this project we have one shark and many fishes, and we have to eat it.
Okay.
And we have to increase our score. Firstly, first it shows the game starting, and then the fish starts coming from one direction, and I have used different types of fish, and it respawns and it comes again every 4 seconds. And when it eats one fish, it makes a sound of bubbles.
And how does your shark move?
Control the shark from the mouse. So it never ends because every time the fish respawns again. So
That
my score was at 69, so I ate 69 fishes. So miss, in this I have written my alphabets. Written my alphabet, and I have added a song, and the alphabets are dancing. So I made, so miss, by this I made different costumes to make it dance. So like so we can make it like this, and then we can code that switch costume to 1, 2, 3. I also named it to make it little bit easy, like this. Miss, I even added the guitar and the mic, and I even made the board dance. Miss, I made
Wow.
the rock come from this space, and I have to shoot them from arrow. In this, I used to throw the arrow, we have to use the keyboard. What is it called? Wait.
Wow. Nice, Vivaan.
Nice.
Nice, Vivaan.
Very nice. Nice game.
Thank you, Miss.
See what Prince has created.
We have to move this with the mouse. Did you hear the sound also? There's a sound also.
It's the gong bell.
Yeah. He has given a negative point if
Ah.
it hits the border. Yeah, that's what he has done.
Yes.
Oh.
And what does that purple line do?
It is giving him the negative mark, negative point, negative score. If it hits that purple, it gives the negative. Oh, it is
Okay.
it's lot of coordination involved. Yeah,
That was Prince.
that was Prince again. Scratch and Prince.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Bye bye, Shalini.
Very,
Bye,
very
Sanvi.
nice
Thank you,
presentation.
kids. Totally loved it.
Totally loved it.
I know, it was really good.